This young learner has been nominated for this award due to their achievements in community engagement, both here at St David's and the wider community in Cardiff. As well as this young person's academic achievements, volunteering and charitable work have always been at the heart of what they do, and as a result of those skills that they've developed, we're confident that they will be able to demonstrate those skills in terms of their progression at university and as life as an independent once they've graduated. And this award goes to Jake Evans.